5 important foods that will help you live longer and healthier. Everyone wants to live a little longer, even though there's no guarantee of what will happen to you come tomorrow. There's no magic potion that will let us live forever. There are, however, certain foods that can add some years to your life. Longevity can be achieved by sticking with several lifestyle habits like exercising, not smoking, and eating the right foods. In this video, we will be focusing on 5 superfoods that are scientifically proven to help you live healthily and in turn live longer. Don't worry, these foods can be easily obtained, like nuts and many more to be covered next. So, keep watching. Number 1. Nuts. Nuts are chock full of nutrients including fiber, healthy fats, minerals, plant protein, antioxidants, and phytosterols. They're also a low glycemic food that helps reduce the glycemic load of a whole meal. As such, it's an important component of an anti-diabetes diet. Ironically, despite their caloric density, nuts are actually linked to lower body weight, since they can potentially reduce appetite thanks to its heart-healthy components. Also, regular nut consumption can reduce cholesterol and lower the risk of heart disease. Number 2. Seeds. The nutritional value of seeds is a lot similar to nuts, since they also contain healthy fats, antioxidants, and minerals. However, seeds provide more protein and trace minerals. Chia, flax, and hemp seeds are rich in omega-3 fats. Chia, flax, and sesame seeds are also packed with lignans, which are breast cancer-fighting phytoestrogens. To get the most nutritional benefits from seeds, eat them raw or lightly roasted. Number 3. Leafy greens. Leafy green veggies such as spinach, kale, and arugula are some of the healthiest foods on earth. In fact, a study revealed that the all top 15 nutrient-dense produce types are all greens. Leafy greens also carry very low calories, making them perfect for weight control. Aside from this benefit, eating leafy greens regularly helps combat disease-causing inflammation and heart disease, stroke, diabetes, and some types of cancer. What's more, these veggies are rich in B vitamin folate, carotenoids, lutein, and zeaxanthin, all of which protect the eyes from light damage. Number 4. Avocado. Heart-related diseases are the top causes of death, so it's important to eat foods that boost your heart health. Avocados are one of those foods. Filled with monounsaturated fats, this fruit can lower cholesterol and stave off heart disease. These good fats also help control appetite by keeping you feeling fuller for longer periods. Number 5. Blueberries. Berries in general are incredibly healthy, but blueberries take the cake out of all kinds. Chock full of antioxidants, incorporating blueberries into your daily diet will let you combat aging. Not only that, but the antioxidants present can ward off diseases and fight inflammation. They also contain anti-cancer properties and are perfect foods for the brain as they help prevent cognitive decline due to aging. Most of those foods are readily available wherever you are, so the road to a longer and healthier life is just right over the corner. Let us know your thoughts about these foods below.
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.